Okay, so when I was praying, God gave me a vision, okay? He showed me a vision that he created the road. But then he said to me that he didn't create it with his own powers. He created it with his father's powers, God. God gave him the powers to create the road. So he said to me, if you follow your dad's rules, you might create something of your own.
どれも Ibaw to tong siya pa ko.
Okay. Donge gatunet la Jesuh vision kat hong lak amat leitung bo ahang amat ge nga hi chi ge hi bo ge ga leitung ka bo ben ge power back hi to hi lo ge ka pai power to pa to ga gen bo to pan to power hong bo leitung ka bo te ad na di tuang yan nang na pa to kita chang amat ge hi hong gen nang tuang yan nang na pa I thu na zui le nang zong na na ka bo te ring chi
Ba na po pa wa te bo ting. No. Amen.